the albino beet, which is actually a sugar beet. So I'm not gonna be growing a ton of them because I would like to get the biggest beets possible. Hi you guys, welcome back to Kirshner Farmstead. If you are new here, my name is Kirsty and today we are going to be planting out our beets for a winter harvest. We are going to be testing 4 different types in winter because we've only ever really grown in spring. So we are going to be trying the Detroit Dark Red, the albino beet, which is actually a sugar beet. So I'm not going to be growing a ton of them because I would like to get the biggest beets possible, and beets aren't always giant when they're harvested in winter. So I'm just going to test out 1 pack. We are going to be doing a golden beet, and finally, and I'm probably going to say this wrong, a Chioggia beet. And this is a really pretty bullseye beet. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna get these into a bed that we amended with some manure and compost earlier this year. It did not grow well with our summer squash, so I'm hoping that with the amended soil that it'll do better with the beets. Okay, so let's get going. I got these, you guys, back when Baker Creek still sold bulk seed packs. So we'll see how well they germinate because they are packed for 2018. So we'll see. So you guys, whenever a seed is packed older and I'm not sure how the germination is going to go, I tend to be heavier on the seeding. So I'll do about twice as many or 1.5 as many times as seeds as I normally would to make sure that we get a good harvest. Oh man, that's all the golden beet seeds I have left. I'm gonna have to order some more. All right, you guys, so our beets are all planted and I really hope that we get at least one of them that does well for a winter harvest. I will keep you guys updated, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and as always, have a blessed day. Bye.